What is a blockchain? In a word, a blockchain is a database. If you know what we're talking about when we talk about Excel spreadsheets, you're more than halfway to understanding blockchains. But let's not make the mistake of contextualizing them as something trivial. The reality is quite the opposite.
Blockchains have a number of technological tricks up their sleeves and hold implications so powerful that they make world governments flinch. These databases may be used for everything from tabulating a vote to tracking the price of crude oil. But the most popular blockchain use case by far is as a decentralized ledger for cryptocurrency transactions.
Blockchain was invented by an unknown individual or group of people working under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. A technical white paper published in 2008 breaks down the what's and why's of blockchain as the software centerpiece that supports Bitcoin, the world's first blockchain-based cryptocurrency.
Only one blockchain contains all the world's Bitcoin transactions, but every blockchain has the same special set of skills. Specifically, they are formed on the basis of a decentralized network. It takes a number of independent individuals to work together to perpetuate the network, and data stored in a blockchain is unchangeable.
This means you not only have access to the present value of a cell in this database, but you have access to every instance of that cell's previous data. You may also hear this blockchain characteristic called immutability or uncensorability, but it fundamentally means blockchain transactions are impossible to forge.
This is all driven by cryptography. To get an entry-level understanding of how cryptography and decentralization make blockchains uncensorable, let's check out this example. A new transaction enters the blockchain and generates a hash, a long string of numbers and letters. The hash that's generated depends not only on this transaction's characteristics, but on the previous transaction's hash as well. Even the smallest of changes in a transaction generates an entirely new hash. Nodes, computers responsible for checking the validity of each transaction, inspect hashes to make sure nothing has been forged. If most nodes approve a transaction, then that transaction gets written into a block. In the spreadsheet's analogy to blockchain, this is the moment where data actually enters a cell. Each block then refers to a previous block filled with congruent information, and this chain of blocks forms the so-called blockchain.
Important things to keep in mind about blockchains. A blockchain is spread over a network of computers or nodes. Each computer contains a complete copy of the blockchain. A blockchain regularly updates all nodes in its network at a regular interval. For example, the Bitcoin blockchain updates every 10 minutes. As soon as a new block is entered, it becomes permanent and cannot be changed. Only new entries can be added to it. The updates occur across all the computers in the network at the same time, making it tough to hack a blockchain.